Today we're looking into the story of Leonid Radvinsky, the billionaire businessman best known as the majority owner of OnlyFans. Known for being extremely private despite his massive influence in the tech and adult content industry, Radvinsky rarely appeared in public or gave interviews. But in 2026, news about his health and death raised a lot of questions. So, what type of cancer did Leonid Radvinsky have? Let's find out. Leonid Radvinsky lived much of his life away from the spotlight, even while building a multi-billion-dollar empire. Unlike many public figures, he kept his personal life, including his health, almost entirely private. In March 2026, it was confirmed that he had passed away at the age of 43 after battling cancer. The revelation shocked many, especially because there had been no prior public disclosure of any illness. What made the situation even more unusual was that his cancer battle had been kept completely secret until after his death. So, what type of cancer did Leonid Radvinsky have? As of now, the exact type of cancer has not been publicly disclosed. Reports only confirm that he died following a period of illness, but no official details have been released about the specific form of cancer he was fighting. This lack of information aligns with how Radvinsky lived very private even at the most critical moments of his life. His death marked the end of a highly influential yet mysterious career. While he built one of the most profitable online platforms in the world, much of his personal story, including his final battle with cancer, remains largely unknown. From tech entrepreneur to one of the most secretive billionaires of his time, Leonid Radvinsky's life and even his illness remains partly a mystery. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on public figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.